My mother married my father for almost 70 years. One day, me mama catch them so beyond you are one in a casa send by was your picture raising the voice at her because my papa worry and one in the worry and my father never raised his voice at her. Was me papa the akrokro ne worry noa me papa moton so da. Ti mu amode halabasha aboka shiresi mapampe mu no. Aguro kakra ye din komo na danen tokwa. Edanin tokwa yen kasa sa 3 weeks. Yet fie bakom. So tell me who is wasting the years and wasting opportunities and wasting time. The nipa ni wu wi ania begina daka ho abisun kwasie so. Ah bedo ye madepa bi ahwere mi o ahwere o. Nipa bi wo ho a wo mo ye unique ofiri wonsa se kim asa. Unya bi. Asa. Eti kuro de nyame chemu mu bebrebe mu anu ma hu no so hwe. Ejire no munsu nyame amankrofo bi bebre mema ngasa no eniema bi wo ye ho ade ba ko wo ye ho ame ye be man so mente ase ne se wenya oba wo te wase wo ye de yofo wiemfo ba suro nyame de bone ho moden be ye bibia masafo ne ye mpewo Baby, I akoma wono minte ase. Epe me tu fon kan kwase asem me mu ade yo wo mu nim aduane kura wo nim noa ono ankasa ne ho no asiesie kura wo ntimi hu no saafo no ne yepe wo. Omo hawo wo mo tompa ne that those are the people we want. Yeah. Wo no a wo to afon no ye mpe wo. It is a say will be out to Huyano. Minim ni abewiase mama comfort will be out to Huyano. Because me nyini sabofrano physique of women, it was natural, it was curvy and beautiful. I mean, one said now, Uko baby to South Africa, the whole world, people with curves are in South Africa. Abrewakura waje newu curves. Menam ka ongo panie. O share the natural endowment of even an old woman standing there. You will be shocked. Curvy people, South Africa.